Hello everyone, my name is Faiza Naeem, and today I am excited to show you how to create art using the natural shapes and texture found in a natural by using material such as pine cones, and you can see leaves, rocks, small rocks, and we have some grass and some bushes and some twigs. So these are my natural loose parts. So first of all, I can show you how it is a natural shape. So we have these material, we can use this. So simply, first of all, I'm making a face shape. When the children are going outside, they love to do this. So okay, so first of all, I just put these rocks and I make the nose with the pine cone. Here is my happy face, and we can put some grass on it so it looks like a hair. So children will love this activity, or you can introduce your children like how we make a circle, square, or different kind of shapes. So I can show you how we make a circle. So see, you can introduce your children. This is the circle. You can show your finger like this, point out and say this is your circle. And you can also make a square with the sticks. See, let's look like a square. And you also make a triangle. So for the triangle, I'm taking this thick branches. So you can show your children this is triangle, this is square, and circle. So these activities are a best activity for the children. You can give the like a literacy activity, like you can give like a literacy things, vocabulary. You can say circle, square, and triangles. So this is the outdoor activity, and this is good activity for the children like age 3 to 5 years old. And you can gather this material when you go for a natural walk, outdoor parks. So these are the very good activity for them. So thank you so much for joining me. And one more thing, I just forgot to telling you. So like this, after this using this material, children will improve their fine motor skills, they will use their cognitive, and they will like improve their language skill also. So it's a very good activity for them. So thank you so much for joining me today. So it's a natural on this nature inspired art adventure. So remember the beauty of nature all around us. So we can use the natural shapes and texture we find to create unique and beautiful artwork. So thank you so much, and please, I hope you like this, and please share, subscribe with your friends. Thank you.